Anil, a 25-year-old social worker with a passion for environmental conservation, observed the deteriorating condition of his locality's park. It was littered with waste, the trees were sparse, and the overall environment was uninviting. Motivated by a deep sense of responsibility and a desire to bring about positive change, Anil decided to organize a community cleanup drive. Understanding that collective effort yields the most significant results, Anil began by rallying his neighbors. He went door to door, explaining the importance of a clean and green environment. With his earnest appeal, Anil highlighted the benefits of a cleaner locality, not only in terms of aesthetics but also for health and well-being. He emphasized how a well-maintained park could become a beautiful and safe space for children to play, adults to relax, and the elderly to take leisurely walks. Anil's enthusiasm was contagious, and his neighbors were inspired by his dedication. Many agreed to participate, forming a diverse group of volunteers, ranging from teenagers to senior citizens. The unity in diversity brought a sense of community spirit, and everyone was eager to contribute to the noble cause. The cleanup drive was scheduled for a sunny Saturday morning. Armed with gloves, trash bags, and cleaning tools, the volunteers gathered at the park. Anil divided them into teams, assigning specific areas to each group to ensure efficiency. Some volunteers focused on picking up litter, while others swept the pathways and trimmed overgrown bushes. The sight of people working together for a common goal was heartwarming. The volunteers discovered that cleaning the park was not just a physical task but also an opportunity to bond with their neighbors. Conversations flowed as they worked side by side, sharing stories and laughter. In addition to cleaning, Anil had arranged for tree saplings to be planted. He explained the significance of planting trees, including how they help combat climate change, provide shade, and enhance the beauty of the environment. Each volunteer took pride in planting a sapling, knowing that their efforts would contribute to a greener future. Furthermore, Anil had organized the installation of waste disposal bins at strategic locations in the park. He conducted a brief session on waste segregation, encouraging everyone to use the bins correctly and recycle whenever possible. His aim was not just to clean the park once, but to instill a sense of ongoing responsibility towards maintaining cleanliness. Anil's initiative had a profound impact. The park, once neglected, now looked vibrant and welcoming. The newly planted trees added a touch of green, and the presence of waste disposal bins encouraged proper waste management. Anil's community cleanup drive did more than just beautify the area, it fostered a sense of community and raised awareness about environmental conservation. His efforts reminded everyone that change begins with small steps and that each individual has the power to make a difference.